guys, today we're gonna play Toilet Tower Defense. Oh my god. Ah! Oh no, I can't even play it normally. I can't play it normally, guys. Here's my... I'm playing. Let me look. My loadout is Titan Clock. Oh my god. I can't. I can't. I can't stop laughing. I just gonna... So my unit is 13. Yeah. Huh? Titan Clock exclusive, which is I got by spending my 10,000 gems, 1,000 gems in Mythic, which is I got from trading. So naman, and this from the old event. Oh my god! La 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 la. Welcome to your life. Plus. This is a bad trade, guys. He's trading.
Decide na, ayaw ipaapin mong kandi, ilan split head ba?
Nana, Nani,
Ayaw, na.
Nani,
Ayaw. Sumupong ba yun?
Ano? Like this. Nana. So guys, I cancel the trade. Oh my god!
I see your video.
Oh my god.
Don't worry. Everything's fine.